In this video, I will tell you the only real effective strategy to get started with any SAP module. And I will share with you the secret to become an SAP expert. Let's start testing some. Imagine you want to learn SAP MM. Most people start from transactions. Okay, honestly, if the business tells you, we received the material, but the inventory in the system looks wrong, what do you do with this list of tcodes? You're taking the wrong approach. Now let's learn SAP MM differently. Let's start from the process, which is someone in the company requests to buy raw materials. This request becomes a purchase requisition. The purchasing team reviews it and creates a purchase order. The purchase order is sent to the vendor. The vendor sends the material. The warehouse confirms the goods received with a material document, and accounting receives the invoice. Suddenly, SAP documents make sense because they're part of a process. And now also tcodes, transactions, become logical. Now, same question as before. If the business suddenly says, we received the material but inventory looks wrong, what do you do? The answer is already there. This is the first document you should check. Maybe there's a mistake in the goods receipt. Can you feel the difference between learning tcodes and learning how tcodes support business actions? Don't memorize tcodes. Anyone can find them online. Instead, the only effective way to get started is to follow this strategy. First, understand the process. Then, link the process to documents. Then, match the process to tcodes. And only after that, focus on certification and configuration. If this video is teaching you something, hit the like button. It's gonna help other people to see this video, and it's gonna help me to build more content like this one. And don't forget to subscribe if you want practical SAP career content every week. So what's the secret to become an SAP expert? Let's think again about MM. How does purchasing know there's a purchase requisition to process? How is the correct price determined? How is the purchase order sent to the vendor? There's no doubt that asking yourself this question makes the difference between an SAP MM beginner and an expert. So, how do you train your mind to ask the right questions? Imagine that SAP is the only way people in a company can communicate. No phone, no emails, no texts. Only SAP. How does the business run? Make this assumption and you will start asking the right questions. Have you ever used this simple technique? Let me know in the comments.